Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we're going to try a very easy, fast, yummy, I hope, recipe. This is a chocolate strawberry pastry, and it literally only uses 3 ingredients. So I'm all excited about this. So we are starting with our strawberries. I'm going to get these sliced up. Our oven is already preheated to 400 degrees. So let me get these strawberries chopped up, and then we will come to the next part. Oh, see, oven's already preheated. There you go. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. And always click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, our strawberries are all sliced, so we're going to throw these back into their bowl. And then we are going to grab our puff pastry and start working on that. All right, so we've got our puff pastry all out, which I set this out actually last night so it would thaw out. And we are going to cut this straight in half, because the beauty about this recipe is it only makes 2. That's a good thing. That way I won't eat too many of them. So there you go. So we're going to take one at a time, and we are going to cut these little slats into them. And then we need to melt our chocolate. One at a time, one at a time. All right, so we're going to use the Ghirardelli milk chocolate. And this is just going to be on the base of it. So, and these are so super easy to melt. That's what I love about these. So let's get these melted, okay? All right, just a quick 35 seconds in the microwave. That's what I love about this stuff. And you can just finish getting it melted just by stirring it. All right, so we are going to get this chocolate all spread out onto this puff pastry. Oh, this smells so good. Chocolate and strawberries, come on. Doesn't get any better than that. That's for sure. So we just want this all spread around till it's all pretty. All right, now we're going to put these strawberry slices all along here. We're going to fit as many of them as we can because we want all the strawberry yumminess to go with that chocolate. But we're literally just going to braid it one after the other. Looky there, see? Piece of cake. We totally know what we're doing. All right, these chocolate strawberry pastries are ready to go in the oven. It's at 400 degrees. They're going to stay in there for about 15 minutes. All right, this chocolate strawberry pastry has been in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. All right, so we're going to bring this over here, and then we're going to get these plated up and finish decorating, okay? All right, so we're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on this. And then let's see if we can't drizzle a little bit of chocolate along that. Boy, doesn't that look yummy? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Chocolate strawberry. What's there not to love? Puff pastry is just enough. Mmm. So there you go. Another fun adventure. Super, super easy. Like I said, 3 ingredients. Doesn't get any easier than that. So I hope you guys had fun. I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.